Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to show a PDF file in your form or inside your form. So suppose you have some application and you need to show a PDF file inside your form. So how can you do it? It's not very complicated to add a PDF file. So just follow the steps which I am showing you. Just go to the toolbox and right click anywhere in the toolbox and just select this choose item option from here. Okay, and in here you will see some of the component tabs. You need to go to the COM component tab, and in here you will find an option called Adobe PDF Reader. By default it's not checked, so just check this and press OK. So once again, if this Adobe PDF Reader checkbox is not checked, then just check it and press OK. Once you have done that, you will be able to find this Adobe PDF Reader tool inside your toolbox. So search for this Adobe PDF Reader. It looks like this inside your toolbox, and drag and drop on your form. Okay, so this is your Adobe PDF Reader tool, and you can anchor it to all the side, for example. And suppose I want to open a PDF file inside this PDF reader. So let me demonstrate with example. So I will take a button and I will change its text as open PDF file, open PDF. Okay, and I will take open file dialog. So this open file dialog uh, examples I have been showing you in the last two videos. So if you don't know how to use this open file dialog, just watch the last two videos. So I will drag and drop into this project and it will go here, and now I will double click this button here, and in here I will just paste the code for opening the file dialog. So it's in the button click event. I will just copy and paste this uh, 3 lines of code, because these 3 lines of code I have been showing you in the last two videos. So I hope you know what these lines means, or otherwise just copy these 3 lines of code in your button click event. What these 3 lines of code is doing is they are opening the open file dialog, and you should be able to choose a PDF file, because we have set the filter to the PDF file, and we will be able to show it in the PDF reader by the code which we write inside this if condition, right? So just select this PDF reader tool once again and just check for the name. The name of the tool right now is AX Acro PDF1. So I will just copy this name from here, and I will say this name from PDF reader dot src is equal to open file dialog 1, which is the name of my file dialog, dot file name. Okay, so what this will do is it will open a file dialog, and whatever file you choose, it will copy the name of the file and set this path of the file as the source of the PDF reader. So let's see how it works. I'm running the program, and because of the filter, for example, I press this button open PDF, it will open a open file dialog first. So it has opened this open file dialog in which I can choose my files or my PDF files. So I will go to somewhere where I have some PDF file. Okay, so here it is. So you will be able to see some PDF file because you have set the filter to the PDF. Just select this PDF and press open, and it will load the PDF file inside your form, and you can resize your form, and accordingly your PDF reader will adjust itself. So it's that much easy to open a PDF file inside your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new this time. Please keep watching these videos, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.